Socialite Cat Arambulo became a trending topic on Twitter. Thanks to this Instagram story she uploaded.
God, why don't you motherfuckers just stay at home? Stay at home! Don't you guys get it? Tigas ng ulo, this is exactly why they need the military, because you fuckers won't stay at home. Guys, come on!
Several netizens bashed the wife of Century Properties Chief Financial Officer Carlo Antonio for her callousness. Arambulo issued this apology. But it became another trending topic on Twitter.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.